viewers, I'm Sanim Khan. I studied in 5th standard and today I'm back with my new question. So today our question is a question that was asked in JEE Mains 5/9/2020 in second shift. So today we are going to solve this question which was asked this year in JEE Main question paper. So first of all, our question is asking to us that the velocity v and time t graph of a body in a straight line motion is shown in the figure, this figure. Now the point S is at 4.333 seconds, okay, and the total distance covered by the body in 6 seconds is, okay, first of all 12 meters, then 49 by 4 meters, and then 11 meters, and finally 37 by 3 meters. Those are our options. So now from here we'll begin our solution. No, so now what a question is asking to us that here, okay, this which figure is given to us, or we can call which this graph has been given to us. So in this, okay, it is velocity time graph. We have to find out the distance covered by the object in 6 seconds. Since we know this graph is shown up to 6 seconds. So here in velocity time graph, always whenever we find out the area of this, then what we get, since we know we get display, okay, sorry, our distance. So here only what we'll be doing that, okay, for finding out the distance, we will first of all find out the area of this trapezium, then this triangle, and add it. Why add it? Why not subtract? Because its area will be positive, it's negative, because we are finding out the distance. Distance is always positive. This is why, and distance displacement can be negative. So distance is always positive, then we'll be adding it. So first of all, its area will be finding out. So first of this trapezium, and before that let me tell you that S is at 4.333 seconds, not at 4 seconds, okay, that's our point, okay, that's 4.333 seconds. So the distance of O and S, okay, length of O and S, what will it be? We can write here OS, which will be equals to what? Okay, since we know it is at 4.333 seconds, okay, so OS equals to 4.333 seconds. Now to 4.333 seconds can we write as 4 plus 0.333 seconds, such we can write, of course we can. Now which is equals to what? 4 plus 1 by 3 seconds, okay, since to 0.333 we can write as 1 by 3 seconds. Now which is equals to what? LCM we can take, so upon 3 will come. Now since LCM we have taken, now here 3 times 3 4 is 12, so 13 by 3 seconds. This we got 13 by 3 seconds. Now what we can see here, so 13 by 3 seconds means OS is equals to this length is 13 by 3 seconds. This we got. Now here this length we got. Now SD one time let us find out, okay, what will be SD? So first, okay, SD will be finding out. So here SD, okay, here since SD we have to find, means from 4.333 to D, and here the distance from 4 to D is 2 units. Then from since okay, now here we can see, then the from SD it will be, from S to D it will be, just like we can call from 4 to this, okay, to this point which is at C, okay, which is at 6, okay, D is at 6. So this is 2 units, this distance is 2 units. Then from S, since we know S is at 1 by 3 seconds distance, so S to D it will be, since we know 2 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 1 by 3, this distance will be, of course, this. So 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to what? Upon 3. Now here 3 will come, 3 2 just 6, now here 1 will come, 6 minus 1, 5 by 3 seconds. Now SD we got 5 by 3 seconds, OS we got 13 by 3 seconds. Now we have to find out the area of this trapezium, lateral triangle, lateral will be adding it. So area of this trapezium, what is this trapezium? OABS, okay, OABS is equals to half into sum of parallel sides into our height. So since it is a trapezium, so this formula will be used. So half, first of all, half into sum of parallel sides. Okay, what is the sum of our parallel sides? Since we know those two sides are parallel, so their sum will be, okay, OS is equals to what? Okay, this is why you would be thinking why I first of all found OS, later SD. Why? Because we need half into sum of parallel sides. So first of all, what are our parallel sides? AB and OS. This is why OS we had found. So first of all, half into sum of parallel sides will be OS plus AB. So OS what is, since we know OS we had got 13 by 3. Now plus here this is 1 unit, so plus 1 by 1. Okay, sorry, here 1 will be plus 1 by 1. Now times our height is 4. Okay, so here into 4. Now this will be cancelled in 2 times. Now this we got. Now 13 by 3 plus 1 by 1, this inside we can evaluate. So 13 by 3 plus 1 by 1, which is equals to what? Upon 3 will be getting here 30. Now 13 plus 3, which is equals to 16 by 3. So here which is equals to what? So 16 by 3 into 2. 16 by 3 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 1 are 2 1 3. 32 by 3. Now 32 by 3 seconds we got. Okay, sorry, 32 by 3 meters. Because since we know, now meter square not. Of course it will be meter because distance unit is meter. So we'll be putting here meter. Now 32 by 3 meters. Now this is the area. Okay, 32 by 3 meter is the area of this trapezium. Now this triangle will be finding out. So that is area of any triangle, since we know this triangle is SCD. So area of any triangle is half into base into height. So area of SCD is half into what is its base? Since we know its base is what? Miss SD base. So first of all we need to find out SD. So what SD already we had found? That is 5 by 3. This is why SD also here we had already found. Now into height, since this is minus 2, but it will take this 2 as positive. It will be plus 2. Because since we know distance is always positive. Displacement can be either positive or negative, even 0. But distance is always positive. This is why we'll be taking this minus 2 as 2. So here 2 will be cancelled in 2 times, which is equals to 5 by 3 meters. Now this we got. Now finally this area we got and this area we got. Now inside we can solve it. Okay, final answer we can bring out. So first of all, its area. What its area we had found? That was 32 by 3. So here we can write area. Okay, area of this is equals to mod of area of first plus mod area of second. Okay, its magnitude, so that if it will be also negative, then it will become positive because distance is positive. So for making it positive, its magnitude we are taking, so that it will become positive. So total area, so which is equals to what? First area magnitude 32 by 3 plus second was 5 by 3, which is equals to 37 by 3 meters. Okay, so meters, so 37 by 3 meters. So final answer we got 37 by 3 meters. Since first is 12 meters, second is 49 by 4 meters, third is 11 meters and fourth is 37 by 3 meters. So since we know that fourth is the correct answer, so here fourth we can take. So finally we got to know that in this figure, okay, which figure has been given to us. According to this given figure, the distance covered by this kind of body or this kind of particle or object we can call is 37 by 3 meters. So this was my today's topic. Thank you.